Welcome to Smart Explore Kids. Hi kids, let's learn about snakes and crawling animals today. Let's begin with snakes.
To explore? Let's go!
This is a snake.
Yay! Snakes slither quietly on the ground. They use their tongue to smell and explore.
Here comes a cobra.
Yay! Cobra lifts its hood when it feels danger. It's one of the most famous snakes in the world.
Say hi to a python.
Yay! Pythons are strong and long. They squeeze their prey instead of biting.
Look, it's a boa constrictor.
Yay! Boa constrictors wrap around their food gently but powerfully. They live in warm jungles.
Here comes a viper.
Yay! Vipers have sharp fangs. Some can strike faster than you can blink.
That's a rattlesnake.
Yay! Rattlesnakes shake their tails to make a rattle sound. It's their way of saying, stay away.
Say hello to an anaconda.
Yay! Anacondas are giant snakes from South America. They love swimming in rivers.
Here's a garter snake.
Yay! Garter snakes are small and harmless. They live in gardens and fields.
Look at the corn snake.
Yay! Corn snakes are orange and patterned like corn. They are friendly and calm.
Here comes the king snake.
Yay! King snakes are colorful and brave. They can even eat other snakes.
This is a green tree python.
Yay! Green tree pythons rest on branches like leaves. They're bright green and beautiful.
Say hi to the ball python.
Yay! Ball pythons curl into a ball when scared. They're gentle and shy.
Look, it's a rosy boa.
Yay! Rosy boas are pinkish and smooth. They love hiding under rocks.
Here comes a milk snake.
Yay! Milk snakes have red, black, and yellow stripes. Their colors warn enemies to stay away.
Say hello to the black mamba.
Yay! Black mambas are fast and powerful. They can move quicker than most animals.
Now let's move on to crawling animals. This is an ant.
Ants are tiny workers that crawl in lines. They carry food and build underground homes.
Say hello to the caterpillar.
Caterpillars crawl on leaves and munch all day. They turn into butterflies after a big nap.
Here comes the cockroach.
Cockroaches crawl fast and love to hide in corners. They're night explorers with shiny brown shells.
Look, It's a beetle.
Beetles crawl with hard shells and little legs. They scurry around on plants and ground.
Say hi to the spider.
Spiders crawl on 8 legs and spin sticky webs. They're sneaky and love catching bugs.
This is a centipede.
Centipedes crawl quickly with lots of tiny legs. They twist and turn in dark, quiet places.
Meet the millipede.
Millipedes crawl slow with soft, wiggly steps. They curl into balls when they feel scared.
Say hello to the crab.
Crabs crawl sideways with strong little claws. They live on beaches and hide in shells.
Here comes the tortoise.
Tortoises crawl slowly with their shell homes. They love munching leaves and soaking in the sun.
This is a salamander.
Salamanders crawl in forests and under logs. They're cool and slimy little critters.
Look at the snail.
Snails crawl slowly with their shells on their back. They leave shiny trails wherever they go.
Here comes the gecko.
Geckos crawl on walls and ceilings with sticky toes. They come out at night and move without a sound.
Say hello to the crocodile.
Crocodiles crawl low with heavy bellies and big jaws. They slide through mud and snap their strong teeth.
This is a scorpion.
Scorpions crawl with stingers and strong claws. They glow under light and hide during the day.
Here comes the Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragons crawl with big steps and strong tails. They are giant lizards from faraway islands.
Say hi to the turtle.
Turtles crawl slowly and carry shells on their backs. They move on land and love to rest near water.
Great job, kids! You learned about snakes and crawling animals today. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.